Hi guys, so today we're doing the pre-calculus assignment number 21, and this is problem number 7. So we're going to find the g of h of a. So we're going to start with the inside function h, which is negative 3a plus 4, and we're going to plug it into g wherever we see the a. And there's no number to substitute in, so we're just substituting in a. So right here where this a is at, we're going to plug in negative 3a plus 4. And right here where this a is at, we're going to plug in negative 3a plus 4. So it's a double plug-in. So the first one is going to be squared, and then the second one is going to be minus all that. So we're going to have to distribute that minus or negative out. Okay, so the first thing I did is I multiplied out this binomial, negative 3a plus 4. I FOILed it, and I got 9a squared for my first. For my outside and my inside, I got negative 12a. And for my last, I got 16. Then I took this negative and distributed it here to get plus 3a, and distributed it here to get negative 4 or minus 4. And then the last step, I just looked for any like terms that I had. So 9a squared, and then there was a negative 12a, and negative 12a, and a plus 3a, which combined to get negative 21a. And then there's a 16 minus 4, which is 12. Hope that helps.